Gold may weigh heavy in the hand, but dishonesty weighs heavier on the heart. Some hearts tilt out of greed, and some pause out of curiosity.
If I press just a little, maybe I can get more bananas. Oops, guess I tipped the scales.
When we take more than we need, everyone ends up with less. Balance isn't just for scales, it's for the heart. In this town, one man's scales gleamed brighter than the sun.
Hey, you need to pay more.
But his fairness had grown dull. He weighed grain and gold, but never his conscience.
Please, sir, just a fair measure.
Greed hardens faster than gold. That night, the marketplace slept, but one man's greed did not. Greed is a weight no scale can bear. When truth is bent too long, it finally breaks. When he looked past himself, he finally saw others.
I took too much. I will begin again.
In that single moment of honesty, his heart weighed less than gold.
Come, take what you need. Today there is no weight, no cost.
We all carry our own scales inside, the balance between what we want and what we truly need. When we let greed weigh too heavy, life tilts out of harmony. We lose peace, trust, and the simple joy of sharing. But when we choose honesty, in trade, in words, in our hearts, everything around us finds balance again. Remember, a truthful heart is the measure that never breaks.
If honesty is balance, then maybe I just need more buns? Some lessons are best learned on a full stomach.
Some lessons reach the mind, but the heart takes longer to learn.